Yep, so this is the first hailstorm I've ridden through, and I caught it on video.
We're back! Yep. Let me make sure the lens cap is not on. Yep. Mike Smith, riding Norman. Down Ant Farm Road. It's been a long time since you check in. It's because I'm pretty much like a yard slave. Just planting shrubs and that. Yep. So yeah, Mrs. Smith went riding with some ladies today, so I rode out with her, and I'm trying to take this dirt road home. Trying not to get killed by a side-by-side. Still not great on Norman, but is what it is. Yep. Right. Well, yeah, who knows if I'll even process this, honestly. But time will tell. So, just wanted to do a check-in. So with that, Mike Smith says, peace out. We're back. Yeah, so we figured we'd do a little filming here. This is our first hailstorm ride. A little bit of lightning and thunder up ahead, but yeah, this is hail. It kind of hurts.
Yeah, it kind of does.
Hitting you. Yeah, I'm on the AT.
I'm on the Two-Fiddy.
She's on the Two-Fiddy.
The Two-Fiddy.
Yep.
Let's keep in mind, this is the first time I've had precipitation while I've been off pavement.
Yeah. Well, this road's pretty good. I think we're through the worst of it. There's just that big hill further up, and then that's it. So.
Oh, that was enjoyable.
Big lightning, yeah. Yep.
I'll take it into a little bit higher speed here.
Good times. Yeah, it's funny. It's funny to watch. I'm trying to not watch the hail bounce all over the road because it's like interesting to watch, but I gotta figure out where I'm going.
Exactly.
Anything else you want to say, Mrs. Smith?
No, I think I am. Ow, good. Ow.
Yeah, it looks like everybody's leaving.
Yeah.
I think the staging area is like where we already came in.
Yeah.
Well, I'll be honest with you. I'd rather have some hail. If it's going to rain a lot, the road will stay in better condition.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yep. All right, well, I'm probably going to sign off in a minute. All right, close it out.
All right with that. Peace.
Peace out. And we're back.
Ow.
This is a ridiculous. This is rutted here.
Okay.
Over here, so just watch that.
Okay.
This is ridiculous. I should have took the paved road back. I slid there pretty bad.
Did you?
Yeah. Fuck this. Oh, I'm losing traction bad.
Oh. Yeah, me too.
All right.
Ow.
You okay?
Yeah.
Because I'm all over the road. You okay?
Yeah.
All right, so we're just going to go like about 15 or 20.
Okay.
Oh, you should ride this pig, dude. I'm sliding everywhere.
I am too.
It was fun for a while.
Yeah.
And it don't look like it's clearing up. Good times.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so.
Lessons learned.
We're sliding all over this road here. It's hailing on us.
Ow. I can't wait to see the bruises I'm going to have on my legs.
Freaking hurts. There's lightning.
Ow.
Jesus, this hurts. This is ridiculous. If I drop this bike, you got to help me pick it up.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Because I ain't that good. I tell you what, man, these Shinko 705s suck.
Ow.
Oh my God, I felt like I got hit with a snowball.
I know. I feel like I'm getting hit with gravel.
Yeah, geez. This is ridiculous.
I know.
The adventure. I'm still recording.
Yeah, okay. Ow.
All right, so up here it's slippy. I'd say, you see where I'm going?
Yeah.
Between the two ruts?
Yep. Are you standing or sitting?
I'm standing.
Okay. I'm
Still.
squatting.
Okay, hopefully we're ending now.
Yeah, it feels like it's slowing down.
Yep, good times.
Oh, God, that freaking hurts.
Yeah, some of them. One hit me in the head, and I swear it felt like somebody pegged me with snow. All right, this is going to be sloppy here, I can tell.
Okay.
I'm going to stay to the right,
Okay.
and if I fall, remember, keep your bike under traction, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks, if you stay to the right, you look like you'll be good.
Okay.
I think your tires are marginally better than mine. I still am laughing. Like, what are we riding with the hailstorm?
Yeah, that's what it feels like.
You in second? Oh,
Yeah.
Jesus, that did make me feel good.
Yeah, me either.
I felt that in my, I don't know. Do you think sitting down be any better?
I don't know. I'm kind of squatting.
In lightning? Is that thunder?
That is so thunder.
Oh, God. Well, at least we'll have it on video. It was a dying.
Right?
Jesus. And yeah, we're like the tallest thing out here, so
I know. I think the hail slowed down though.
I hope so. A lot of times what I've...
You're like way ahead of me.
Okay, well I'm waiting up.
I know.
It's good because where I'm at, it's like a slushy, snowy mess.
Okay. You're kind of in the center of the...
I'm on the right now.
You are? Okay.
Yeah, because there's a truck coming at us.
Okay.
Oh, good. We got a hill to go up here.
Great.
That should be fun. Are you getting any closer?
Yeah, sorry.
I'm hoping we're at the edge.
Yeah.
Yes, here comes the hail again.
Shit.
I just want to get up this hill. Oh, good times, good times. Yeah, because there's actually water on the road here. Oh,
Whoa.
Jesus. Whoa, that'll make a good vid.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd wonder what... Jesus. I wonder what people would say you would do.
Yeah, I don't know.
Are like, we supposed to just park and
lay on the floor, on the ground, probably. Or squat on our toes.
I gotta really concentrate here.
Yeah.
So, and I know it gets a little sloppy here because who would have thought June, what's today?
For a second?
Yeah, we'd be like, God, I just wish we'd be out of this lightning.
You're pretty far ahead, but I know you need to get up the hill.
Yeah, I'm just trying to do my thing.
Yep.
So I know it gets sloppy here because this is where all the ATVs ride.
Okay.
I don't know. I still think the storm in Texas was worse than this.
Yeah. We just didn't have hail in Texas.
Good times, good times. You still making good forward progress?
Yeah, I'm going 16, 18.
Yeah, I'm going like 17. Just watch, like when you're coming around these roads, look for where the water's running.
Yeah.
Oh God, man. Whew. All right, hopefully I don't have to go down a downhill here.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna turn this off. Peace out. Back.
We're back again.
Yep.
Another video completed. Too bad the film is from 2019. Thanks for watching. Peace out!